The big misconception of salon owner and hairstylist is unpredictable. Sometimes they really don't know how the business is going to happen the end of the year or what is going to happen the next 5 years. So I'm Giang Brooke. I am a founder of Global Hair Academy, and I have been in hair industry for over 20 years. So my passion that doing hair transformation and help client that transform their life, but also that make them big impact for them. In that passion, in the past few years, I actually helping hair salon owner and hairstylist how to attract high ticket client into the door, so they can create work-life balance. In saying that, for me, that I was struggling. 10 years ago, I came to Australia and I started working I got paid $80 a day. And then I do for my client and I got paid kind of like packet, full head of oil cut toner, and I got paid $100. But now I actually invest a lot of time, money, and learn three things that I learned and I take away, which means from got paid low, $80 a day. Now I got paid over $1,000 of one client, like in a day. So that's what in a day when I'm working. And I was struggling to find a client to get into the door. Even I have really good skill, but I still struggling, could not get the client into the door. I have to learn the method, the strategy to get the client into the door by change the way I talk, change the way my mindset, and that is how I can get high ticket client consistency. But also when actually clients sit on the chair and a few questions to ask to find out that how do they find me. So that's why I get into the point that I found that three things. They found me because on search, they found me because they search on Google, they found me because they hear from friends and family, and some people found me on the streets because my client walk somewhere, eat at the restaurant. So that's why those clients see that and ask, oh, where did you get hair done? So that's how my clients see another client have that hair. So that's why they got the contact, that how they found me. So that's what I think is the powerful of you build the right brand, build the right structure of the business that to help you to actually grow your business, and you can measure it. It's not like unpredictable. You don't know how to go and what to do and how is the next year it look like. Could you measure like if you can work in in 1 year. So you measure in the way that you say, okay, I want to grow up like double revenue in the next year. So which means the first quarter, it 25%, the next quarter, 25%, the next quarter, 25%. You measure it, and you know that how your business, it look like at the end of the year. So that is, I am going to run the master class every week to help everyone. If you can look at below here or the end, you can see that the register page. So you can put your name and your email in and your phone number. So you can join with the free master class, because I'm passionate about it and I really want to help you all to get the result you want. Right now, I help a few hairstylist and salon owner, and I got amazing result, incredible result. Some of my students go on to the call with me only 2 weeks. They can increase the price 20%, and they got the client every day and ask. And the best thing that she say with me that, well, everyone say that the new client come in and always say to me that, oh, my skill is amazing. I can give everything they want with amazing result. And that is what they're looking for. So that's why I think that I can't wait to see you all. If you really want to learn and bring your business to the next level, I will share with you 3 things into this workshop. That number 1, build your brand. Number 2, that marketing strategy. And number 3, that actually how to use your communication to double price without guilty or fear. All right. So I am going to share with you all of that. Click to below and join, and I can't wait to see you there. Thank you. Bye for now.